In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to improve speaking in Duolingo. We will walk through a simple routine you can repeat every day so your spoken language gets clearer, more natural, and more confident. First, open Duolingo. On your phone or tablet, tap the Duolingo icon so the app launches. In a moment, you will see the familiar home screen with your current language at the top and your course path or quests below. If the app asks you to log in, just sign in the same way you usually do so you return to your normal profile. Once the home screen is visible, you are ready for focused speaking practice. Now, tap the Practice tab. Look along the bottom of the screen for the word Practice, usually next to Home and maybe Friends. Tap it once and wait a second. The Practice Hub will load, and you should see several practice options or packs arranged in a list or grid. This area is built for targeted skills, so when you come here you are not starting a new lesson, you are sharpening one specific ability. From there, select Speak, find the Speak option in the Practice Hub, and tap it. The Speak section is all about talking out loud to your device, not about tapping answers. When you choose it, Duolingo will prepare a set of tasks that rely on your microphone. You might see a brief loading screen, then the first speaking prompt appears. If your microphone permission is off, the app may ask you to allow it before you can continue, so be sure to accept that request. Next up, complete the speaking-only exercises. You will usually see a short sentence or phrase on screen, sometimes in your target language, sometimes in your base language. Tap the microphone button and speak clearly toward your device. After you finish, Duolingo checks your recording and then shows if you got it right or not. If the app marks it wrong even though you said it correctly, slow down your speech a little and keep your mouth a comfortable distance from the microphone. A useful trick is to listen to any sample audio first, notice the rhythm and stress, then try to copy that melody when you speak. Over time, this trains your ear and your mouth together. Watch for small hints under the sentence. They often highlight accents or tricky sounds that many beginners miss. At this point, practice regularly to improve pronunciation and confidence. Aim for short daily sessions instead of one long weekly session. Even 5 or 10 minutes helps your mouth remember new sounds. Many learners like to repeat each successful sentence once more, even after it turns green, to lock in the correct pronunciation. You do not need to save anything here. Progress updates automatically in the background, and you can leave anytime and come back to the same speak area later. You have now learned how to use the Duolingo Practice Hub to focus on speaking and build stronger pronunciation. If this helped your speaking practice, please give the video a quick thumbs up and subscribe if you want more straightforward Duolingo tips.